Coxey's army 1,000,000 strong, rolling down the dusty road, marching to DC for the fight, to lift the burdened heavy load. It's 1894, a dire year. The silver panic crushes hope. Factories closed and fields forgotten, crisis woven across the slope. We're calling out to broken hearts, to those lost in the fall. Let your voices blend with ours till we make our message heard. Unemployment grips the land, empty hands and sorrow tell. We're striking out to find a way to break this heavy spell. In ragged coats and worn out boots, we tread the path unknown, with dreams of lifting up the downtrodden, fixing what's been blown. From town to town we gather strength as rivers swell from storm, marching on with battered pride to see a new day born. Broken hearts to those lost in the fall. Let your voices blend with ours till we make our message heard. We're calling out to broken hearts, to those lost in the fall. Let your voices blend with ours till we make our message heard. We're calling out to broken hearts, to those lost in the fall. Let your voices blend with ours till we make our message heard. Unemployment grips the land, empty hands and sorrow tell. We're striking out to find a way to break this heavy spell. In ragged coats and worn out boots, we tread the path unknown, with dreams of lifting up the downtrodden, fixing what's been